Hi everyone, hope that you are doing great. Welcome to Edulitic, where we help individuals to gain more knowledge about English language, especially in terms of writing skills, improving their listening skills, as well as speaking and listening skills in order to gain maximum band 7.5 or higher in their upcoming IELTS or PTE examinations. So today our major concern would be about writing practice, that how can you improve your essay composition and otherwise writing skills. So without wasting a moment, let's focus on today's learning objective. So by the end of today's lecture, students will be able to effectively write and revise compositions over both extended and shorter time frames. So we are going to divide and we are going to subcategorize our today's presentation into two types of writings. First one is the extended, and while the other one is the shorter time frame writing tailored to specific disciplines, specific tasks, purposes, and target audience. So, firstly, let's decide why are you writing, what's your purpose, as well as keep in mind your audience. So when it comes to IELTS examinations, your audience is your university lecturer, and your purpose is to gain maximum band. So that is why you're going to utilize all the language resources, including lexical resources, utilizing complex sentences, and doing everything in your part to gain maximum bands. So I hope that for an IELTS test taker, writing purpose and audience is crystal clear already. Then we have to deal with the time frames. So normally we have two types of time frames in writing. Firstly, it's extended time frame. Secondly, it's shorter time frame. But when it comes to IELTS examination, obviously we are not going to go for the extended time period. We can utilize the extended time practice in order to make us better. But then once you are in your examination, you are not going to get a lot more time. Obviously, you will be having 40 minutes to write down an essay of 250 words. So that is why we're going to focus on limited time frame so that we can practice and polish our approach towards English writing. So how do we deal with extended time frame? This is for your practice session, like not for the examination day, but while practicing, you have some maximum time. So in such a case, you have the luxury of time to delve deeply into the subject matter, conduct thorough research, and engage in extensive planning and outlining. So at this point, I would suggest my students to at least in their go through the past essays, the sample passages by which you can attain maximum band in your IELTS examination, get maximum input so that you can deliver the best output. Remember one thing, a good writer must first have to be a good reader. So this is how extended time frames can be utilized to research, to review, and to rewrite your content in order to get the final draft as something impressive. Now let's see, there are three essential tips for extended time frames. Firstly, thorough planning and research. So your first step would be to research the idea and create your plan. Then the second thing is effective writing and revising. You are going to write your essay, then you are going to revise it and see that whether you are going to add something or whether there should be something which should not be there. So you are going to eradicate it. Next is effective time management. So obviously, once you have a plan, then you are going to achieve your desired things in the given period of time. Now, what else meant by thorough planning and research? It includes three basic points, starting with extensive research, then organizing your thoughts by creating an outline, and then develop a thesis statement. Always remember, thesis statement comes at the end of your introductory paragraph, and this is the place by which your reader is going to know that this essay is about that particular topic. So now, what is meant by effective writing and revising? What is everyone can write, but what makes your writing effective includes three things. Firstly, it's write a strong introduction. You should grab your reader's attention in your introductory lines. Then build coherent arguments, like there should be a logical sequence as well as a connection in your ideas and sentences. Then you have to revise and refine, see what information is irrelevant and which information should be there. Then add it and make your writing most impressive. Then we have effective time management. Now it means to set milestones, utilize a writing schedule, review in intervals. So obviously, once you are able to write your 250 words essay in 40 minutes, it means you are going to the right track. So now let's focus on the day of your exam, where you would be having a shorter time frame and you cannot exceed that limit. So within this limited time frame, you need to adopt a more focused and efficient approach. You must quickly generate ideas, select key points, and craft a coherent piece of writing, ultimately to, to satisfy your examiner as your reader, so that you can attain maximum bands in your upcoming or ongoing test. So here we also have like 3 essential tips for shorter time frames, including manage your time effectively. It means time is the most crucial part in this aspect. And then organize your thoughts quickly, because you don't have the whole day for that. And obviously be clear and concise. Avoid giving extensive details. Be clear and concise to your ideas. So how to manage your time? Firstly, obviously, everything starts with a plan. It is said that once you fail to plan, you plan to fail ultimately. Then stick to the plan. Whatever your plan is, it would help you to formulate thesis statement. Stick to that plan and deliver your thoughts in detail in the upcoming paragraphs, the body paragraphs of your essay. Then prioritize and focus. Focus on the things that should come earlier and which should come at the end of your essay. Organizing your thoughts include using simple structures and outline your ideas in a logical sequence. Then we have to be clear and concise. It means like, see, there is a myth that writing very tough word in your essay can win you more band, but that is only a myth. The fact is otherwise, because if you focus on your key points, identify the main ideas and avoid unnecessary details, then you can attain maximum bands with clear and concise language. You can also add it for clarity, like if something mistakenly have been written in your essay, you can cut it and you can rewrite your content as per your plan and agenda. Now, how to plan? What is a pre-writing planner for your essay? Remember, these things are to polish your skill while you are practicing your writing. A writer's best friend is pre-writing planner. It includes selecting your topic, finding out your purpose of writing, keeping in mind your audience while writing your content, select the format, and then move forward to the next steps, that what do I need to do next for my writing. So pre-planning stage is quite an important stage, because without it we cannot formulate a good essay. Regardless of the writing time frame you are assigned, a pre-writing planner like the one shown on the left is a great tool to ensure you consider your purpose, audience, and the best format. That is all for the day. Best of luck for your future exams. Thank you so much.